So today we are going to learn about what actually is a cryptocurrency. Hiya, my name is Lolo and you are watching Clear Cut Crypto, and today we are going to go back to basics. Today we are talking about what cryptocurrency actually is. Before we explain the pros and the cons, let's get a clear understanding of what cryptocurrency actually is. So, the dictionary defines cryptocurrency as a digital currency in which encryption techniques are used to regulate the generation of units of currency and verify the transfer of funds, operating independently of a central bank. What does that actually mean? Cryptocurrency is simply a digital version of money. Normally, your money, such as pounds or dollars, for example, are issued by countries and their value is regularly manipulated by governments and central banks for a whole number of reasons. This type of currency is commonly referred to as a fiat currency. Cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, are digital versions of money, which can be traded like any other currency on the market, and in many cases it can be spent like you would do with normal cash. Okay then, so what is the point in having cryptocurrency if you can do a lot of the same stuff with it? Well, unlike fiat currency, it is not controlled by any one authority like a bank or a government. This means that the value of the currency is not as easily manipulated, and it is the overall market. People like you and me who determine what a fair price is for the cryptocurrency at that time. This is what is referred to as being decentralized, because there is no central governing authority. You will hear the term decentralized a lot in the cryptocurrency world, so that is definitely one to remember. Another benefit of cryptocurrency is the amount of any one currency is 100% fixed and can never be changed. For example, Bitcoin has a fixed amount of 21 million Bitcoins that can ever be in circulation. No matter what happens, there will never be more than 21 million Bitcoins. This is great because what happens when banks and governments get into too much debt and can't pay their bills? Well, they just print more money. This just makes the value of fiat money lower overall because the currency doesn't hold any more value, but there is more of it in circulation, which makes it cheaper. If you ever want to send money abroad, cryptocurrency has you covered too. Cryptocurrency can be sent anywhere in the world at an incredibly low cost. All you need is an internet connection. Say goodbye to being extorted by big brands who hold the monopoly on sending your money out of the country. There are so many other benefits to cryptocurrency like transparency, speed and being anonymous. But before you run out and buy your first Bitcoins, let's just look at the potential risks of cryptocurrency. Alright, so what are the risks? One thing to note is that the market is a little bit like the wild, wild west. There are people doing amazing things in crypto and the technology used to support it. But there are also bandits. These bandits usually come in the form of hackers or scammers. Hackers do get a lot of media attention these days, and it seems as though every week there is a news report about another big company having their data stolen or leaked. This is why it is so important that you are as secure as possible when buying, selling, or storing your cryptocurrency. At the end of the day, this is real money and there are plenty of people who would not think twice about taking it from you. It is important to note that this market is not regulated by any central authority, and in most countries, cryptocurrency doesn't even legally count as real money, so there is no going to the police if someone comes and clears out your account. There are lots of safeguards and best practices you can use to make sure you are being as secure as possible with your crypto so you can protect yourself against the hackers. Don't worry, we will go through them in detail in later videos. Another risk is the speed at which the market can completely change in any direction. One day you could be buying Ethereum at $300, then within a week it could have gone up to $500, but the same is possible in the opposite direction. We call this the volatility of the market. Cryptocurrency at the moment is a very volatile place, which makes it hard to predict what is going to happen and which direction these currencies are going to move in. Volatility is not all bad. If you want to trade cryptocurrency, then volatility is vital to make sure you can make profit. If you bought one Bitcoin at $10,000 and then you sold it at $10,000 because the price hadn't changed, you wouldn't be able to make any money. So volatility has its ups and its downs, depending on what you want to do with your crypto. Getting involved in cryptocurrency can be great fun, a great opportunity to learn new skills, and if you do it well, you can bring some great profit. Take the risk seriously though, and under no circumstances should you ever risk money that you would not be happy losing 100% of. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Because there is no central governing. Oh my fucking god. Like the neighbours are watching like, Jesus Christ! Like a Daz advert for like washing powder.